Hi, everyone. My name is Sean, and I hope I'm on live now. This is my first time doing live trade show on YouTube. I hope this will be successful, and also you will enjoy my trade show. Thank you very much. And I do not remember if I had ever time to introduce our company. I mean, the Hirose group. If you come to our website, right, this is our homepage. And if you scroll down to the middle, there is this office environment confidence. And I'm not sure if this is the right English phrase, but if you click on this, you can see some like a office, inside the office, and then the people here are real, actual staff members at Hirose. And this one here is the JB office, right? And this one is the Hirose Tsusho headquarter in Osaka, Japan. And these people, actually, these two are from Indonesia, and here's one Japanese, and these are all from Malaysia. Next one, yes, all from Malaysia. This is the Johor office in Malaysia. And the next picture, this one is at the headquarter, Japan, and one lady. Let me go back. One lady from Indonesia, and this is Allen, right? He is actually from China, but he's been to Australia, and now he's with Hirose. And if you hear this one, if you come to headquarter in Japan on the eighth floor, there is a lounge like that, the beautiful lounge. We built it about 2 years ago, and the staff members get together there and have a party or have a important meeting. About 100 to 150 people can fit in there. And then here we talking about here this one, right? For example, before talking about that, let me talk about this one. We have received some awards. The customer support satisfaction has been always number one, and this is awarded by the Japanese like a credential, how do you say, organization, where they take the questionnaire to people, and then they give the top 10, and then we've been always top one, yeah. And then here, this one, right, this one is our project worldwide. We donate and help to build school in developing countries. And then we've been building, I guess, multiple schools already, like worldwide, like Asia, Africa, South Africa, and many places. And I cannot name the countries at the moment, but we have been building many schools. And this picture, I think there should be one staff from Hirose on that picture. But we actually go into the place and then see the school, how is the school is being built and so on. So we've been doing, those, hospitality. How do you say? The charity, yeah, charity. We've been working on the charity thing as well. So the Hirose group has been developing, growing worldwide. We have office in Japan. Actually, we have two companies under Hirose Group in Japan. One in Tokyo and one in Osaka. And we have office in Malaysia. We have two offices in Malaysia actually. One is Labuan and the other one is Johor, where I am now, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. And we have one in Hong Kong, We have in China, and we have one in UK. UK entity is regulated by the FCA, yeah. So we got some good regulation brands as well. And overall, Hirose Group has over 25, 250,000 clients globally. So, and we've been still growing. So I hope you can be, one of us. We can enjoy our services, and like on this live trade show, or we do, Facebook, and we get phone calls from you and so on. If you can give us your feedback, yeah, and give us any comments, that will help us to grow our services for you. For instance, we got to talk with this customer. He's from India. He's been trading gambling. Sorry. He's been doing the binary options trading, and then he earned over 1,000 dollars, and then he got to withdraw, yeah. And then on the interview, we email to you. He is talking about how he was able to earn over 1,000 US dollar, and then he's using 303 strategy and also martingale. And that strategy, I've been talking about it for a long time now. And also the company has been sending some educational materials on 303 thing. And then sometimes we use WhatsApp to send you the video link. So I hope you have a chance to read it, because if you don't, then you are missing a big time, yeah. Because this customer from India, he watched it and he studied it, and then he's been able to earn over 1,000 US dollars. So now 303 is part of his strategy. So I'm confident that he will continue to make more and more profits, yeah, on binary options. Okay, enough of my speech always, and let's talk about this one. Okay, let me change this one. Okay, okay. Now let's talk about the economic news that we can see today. Yeah? I hope you can see this calendar. Okay, today everybody stay tuned. Yeah, at 11 GMT, England, the UK will be announcing interest rate decision at 11 a.m. GMT. Yep. Previously, the interest rate was 0.25%, and this time the forecast is 0.25%. But here's the thing: if the interest rate turns out to be higher than 0.25%, then starting pound will become very, very strong. Yeah. If turns out to be lower than 0.25%, then starting pound will be weaker. Okay, so let me explain with my beautiful drawn sheet. I talked about this. I used this table when I talk about the U.S. FOMC interest rate decision. Yeah. Okay. For example, yeah. For example, you have a choice of bank A and bank B, and bank A is offering 10%, and bank B is offering 1% interest rate. Yeah. And then you have at your hand have 1,000 US dollar. Yep. Okay. So which one you want to open account with? The answer is obvious. So everybody choose bank A, right? Because your once from your 1000, the 100 interest will be generated with 10% interest. If you choose to open account with bank B, the same asset, yeah, same investment 1000, but then the result is only the 10%. So 1/10, yeah. So let's going back to this economic calendar. So let's say if the uh, if the starting pound turns out to be higher than 0.25%, that means like similar to bank A situation. So the higher the interest rate, then more people wants to buy sterling pounds because the interest rate is better. Yeah, that makes sense. Then if lower, then that the situation is similar to bank B, meaning that I do not want to purchase sterling pound because the interest rate is low. So uh, you can expect the chart like this. Let me show you. Okay, let me enlarge this one. Okay, can you see? This is better, yeah? Let me show you. Okay, so if the starting pounds become stronger with the higher interest rate, you can expect that the let's say starting pound dollar chart will become like this upward trend, yeah, because the starting pound will get stronger, so the chart will become upward trend, yeah. But then if not, then if the people do not want to purchase sterling pound because the interest rate is lower, then you can expect the sterling pound dollar chart will become like this. Yeah. Okay. If you open our binary option platform, we have, let's say, dollar yen, euro dollar, sterling pound dollar, and OG dollar. Okay, so we can expect because euro and sterling pound, yeah, euro and UK is geographically closer, yeah, close to each other. So if the sterling pound becomes stronger, then also euro dollar chart will become like this upward. You can expect the chart upward. If the sterling becomes weaker, then sterling pound dollar goes downward, then you can expect the same trend for euro dollar as well, going down like this. So in either way, the interest rates ends up higher or lower. Higher, you can expect the chart like this, and then lower, you can expect the chart like this. So you buy an option here, yeah, because the according to the 303 strategy, then the chart always move in zigzag, 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 and then if you draw a trend line, then you want to purchase here, high, here, yeah, and then if the chart goes like this downward, then zigzag, 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 and you want to purchase low here at this point, closer to the trend line, yeah. Okay, but then when the market is moving really quickly, then sometimes the market price stays far from the trend line. So you do not want to take any action when the price is around here, yeah? For this one, around here, yeah? You do not want to take any action when the chart is far from the trend line. Always take an action here. Make sense? Here you purchase high. Here you purchase low. Right? I hope it makes sense to you. Okay then. let me minimize this. Okay, let's trade. Okay, I have signal ready. So, okay. Sometimes when there's a big event coming up, then the market kind of becomes quiet. So I'm not sure if I see the right, beautiful chart today. But let me see. So I have Darayan 30 minutes, and then I have another chart 3 minutes. Okay. So 30 minutes, I draw a trend line like this. So it is upward trend or downward trend? This is downward trend, yeah? So using the 3 minutes option, the same pair, I choose low like this, right? Then trend line here. I would make purchase low when the chart, this chart, yeah, comes back a little bit higher than this point, more closer to my trend line, yeah. And now Darayan is showing strong buy, so let me refresh this. Now Darayan showing strong sell, so it looks like okay. Now it's past the stop line, so I need to wait for the next one. How about let's look at the cable, starting pound Dara, yeah. Well, it's hard to see. Here it's going down, but then now it's going up. And if I draw a trend line here, it's passing my trend line here. Market price is passing. So here I'm not sure if it's going down or going up or make a flat movement. I'm not sure. So starting pound dollar, I'm not going to trade now. Maybe euro dollar is showing similar movement. Oh, okay. Euro dollar is more downward. Okay. So let me see euro dollar. Wow, this one is also passing the stop line. So I guess dollar yen is ready by now. So going back to dollar yen. See that? It's downward. Okay. Now here dollar yen is going down, but then see this one here. Can you see? I'm kinda I hesitate to purchase low now because the price seems to be far from it. So at this point, I do not make purchase because it might come back here or go even farther down. So that risky to me. So I do not purchase low at the moment. So I'm going back to euro dollar 30 minutes. Wow, this one is coming back. Okay, this one is also hard, yeah? But overall, this is downtrend, yeah? Okay, and I have now euro dollar is showing buy, so when it becomes strong sell, then I go for low, yeah? Okay, let me refresh the chart. No, I mean the signal. Now showing strong sell, so I purchase low. Okay, did I make? Okay, euro dollar low 100. Okay, so let's talk about martingale. If the if the price comes back higher, let's say around here, then I purchase 300. Yeah. I do this because the trend seems to be downward to me. Yeah, overall. So I make another purchase 300. So I triple the previous amount 100. So I purchase 300 here, and I wait a little bit more longer. Wait, wait. Okay, now it's coming back here. So I purchase. Let's try this one. Okay, 300. I made one 300. Okay. So what happens is that if the price comes back lower, then higher than my initial purchase point, but then lower than my second purchase point, then I will end up in profit. Yeah, that's the how the martingale works. So we'll see. Now is the prayer time. I've been. I hope it will work. And then if I lose, then I'm going to analyze what happened. So 16, 15. It's going up. Not great. Come back. Come back. 6, 5, 4. Not good. 2, 1. Okay. Do I still have some amount right? Okay, right. So what happened? Okay. The trend line can be drawn like this. So here is touching. So now would be the time to purchase low. So it's just a matter of timing, I think. Now euro dollar is showing sell, so I wait a little bit longer. I have the now still showing sell, so I wait for strong sell. Let me refresh. Okay, that's good. Okay, now the chart is becoming like that. So maybe it's not the strong. It's not too strong, yeah. Now see, euro dollar. So it's changing the direction actually. Okay, so I will change instrument. 30 minutes. See that? The similar movement. So it's not the right moment. Let me see. See, showing strong buy. So how about other instrument? OG. OG dollar. Oh, it's a more beautiful chart. Yeah, can you see the clear downward trend? Okay, so I will have OG data. Now it's passing 3 minutes. Okay, good. So let's say low, just strong sell. Okay, so purchase low, purchase. Okay, OG data 10 pounds low. Okay, and if the chart goes back even higher, then I purchase another low. This time 30 pounds. So always I do triple. Okay, now staying lower. and OG data showing strong sell. So the sentiment is showing down. Okay, now it's higher. It is higher, but then it's not too higher. Yeah, it's not really far. So see that the still sentiment is showing strong sell. Okay, so now I go for purchase low. Okay, I did the 30 dollar, sorry, 30 pounds OG data low. So what will happen is that if the price stays lower than my second point, as long as stay lower than my second point, then I will end up in profits. But then today, I'm not sure. Sometimes the market is against me. Yeah? So in that situation, I just need to stay patient. Sleep nicely, then come back tomorrow for better trades. Wow. Okay, let's look at my total loss here today. Okay, my total loss is 440, and my daily target, I have my daily target, yeah, 500 profit or 500 loss. So I still have 60 pound to go. So let me try again. uh, Cable double top, but that's not my strategy. Okay, cable. Hmm. How about the euro dollar? 3 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes. Hmm. See that it's becoming more like flat to me. There's no trend. Yeah. How about dollar yen? 30 minutes. See that this one is also flat to me now. So when you see a chart like this, then I wouldn't recommend to trade. Yeah. Because today I'm losing. Just kidding. Starting pound. Hmm. Maybe here, this part. Starting pound is showing strong sell. So here, downward, it's going down. Okay, but it's coming back again. Let me refresh. See that? Now it's neutral, and now it's coming back again. Okay, I guess today that's about it. I didn't do too well, but then I do not give up. I will come back next Wednesday for better trades. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Now, lastly, I want to talk about this $10 free bonus. Okay. If you do not have a, binary option account with us, please come to our website www.hiroseuk.com, and if you click on the $10 free bonus icon, then you are guided to this page. Okay, when you open a binary option account with us, right? When your account has been activated, we'll give you $10 welcome bonus. So with the $10, this is the real money, so you can trade without making the investment. So I would recommend that you familiarize yourself with our live platform before making investment. Yeah? Then when you make an investment, then we can give you like signal, we can give you support, how to trade well, how to make profits and all that. Yeah. So I hope you enjoy my show, but then I'll see you next Wednesday. Yeah. Okay. See you later then. Bye bye. How to